parts required for the standard LED lamp for 240 volts, 6 times 2K 2 resistors, 1 watt. Then we get 4 times 1 in 4007 diodes, one rated at 1 ampere, 1 kV. 25 LEDs, white or whatever color you require. Then a little base plate to mount it on, and the old fitting. I pre-drilled the holes already on it, and a bit of heavy duty perspex which I pre-drilled as well. Diode wedge before assembly, and the resistor stack. The diodes are now placed on the resistor stack. I'm sure there's a bit of a little gap there. Whole lot is now sunk into place. A couple of dabs of solder, and time to put all the LEDs in position. After every 2 or 3 LEDs, try that the polarity is right. Saves a lot of mucking around. This is the front part of the lamp. Rear part LEDs. And the assembled cluster with LEDs in a circle around. Okay, here's the circuit on a 10 by 110 volt supply. But this lamp is of course rated for 230 volts. Quick assembly prior to the heat gun or the glue gun to glue the top end onto the unit. Okay, final test at 230 volts. LED on. 11 milliamps, 12 milliamps. Okay, the electrical calculation: voltage U I times R, 240 volts minus 82.5 volts for the LEDs. Current times 13.2 K, that's the resistors, gives us 11.9 milliamps. The voltage on the LEDs is 25 times 3.3, gives me 82.5 volts. The heat dissipation in the resistor is 11.9 milliamps squared times 10 to the power minus 3 times 13 K2 resistor equals 1.87 watts. So with a 6 watt resistor it's adequately rated. This is the simple electrical diagram. Series resistors, bridge rectifier, LED 1 to LED 25.